Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey that will pull you into a world of innovation and wonder. I'm a J, and you're watching a J Science and Tech. If you're ready to discover the incredible world of pulleys, then stick around because we've got a thrilling ride ahead. Before we dive deep into the wonders of pulleys, let's start with the basics. So, what exactly is a pulley? Well, imagine a simple machine that can help us lift heavy objects with ease. It's all about distributing the load and making work seem like a walk in the park. There are different types of pulleys: fixed, movable, and compound pulleys. Each type plays a unique role in various applications, from construction to everyday life. Check this out. A fixed pulley changes the direction of the force we apply. It's like having your own magic trick for lifting things up without breaking a sweat. Now, let's unlock the secret sauce behind pulleys, the mechanical advantage. This is where things get seriously cool. Mechanical advantage is all about getting more output with less input. Sounds magical, right? Imagine you're lifting a heavy load using a pulley. With each added pulley, the effort required decreases, but the distance you need to pull increases. It's like having a team of mini superheroes helping you out. Pulleys can give us an advantage by reducing the force needed to lift heavy objects. The more pulleys we add, the greater the advantage. It's like leveling up in a video game. Now that we've grasped the concept of mechanical advantage, let's explore how pulleys are used in real life. We're here at a construction site, where pulleys play a crucial role in lifting massive loads effortlessly. Pulleys help us move heavy beams, concrete blocks, and machinery without straining our muscles. It's like having a helping hand from technology. Time to put our newfound knowledge to the test. Let's do a fun pulley experiment that you can try at home. All you need are a few simple materials, and you'll be amazed at how effortlessly you can lift objects. It's a fantastic way to experience mechanical advantage firsthand. And there you have it, folks. Pulleys are more than just simple machines. They're our partners in lifting heavy burdens and making complex tasks a breeze. From their fascinating history to their practical applications, we've unraveled the world of pulleys together. So, the next time you encounter a pulley, remember the incredible mechanical advantage it offers. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the wonders of the world around us. If you enjoyed this journey into pulleys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our exciting explorations. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay curious and keep on learning. This YouTube video script aims to create an engaging and educational experience for viewers, starting from the basics of pulleys and gradually delving into their mechanics, applications, and even a hands-on experiment.